Commerce never stops. Millions of business owners wake up every morning hoping that technology has their back. And we are in the business of ensuring that technology never lets you down by transforming your stores into smart, seamless, and self-aware ecosystems. The living, breathing global retail network. Shanghai at sunrise. As the city begins to stir, Liwei's store is already awake. Overnight, Smart Store Services has run a full digital health check, verifying every system, every device, every connection. On arrival, Liwei focuses on service. The store is fully prepared. On her team's app, they can access their schedule quickly and view a quick training refresher for an upcoming promotion. On the opposite side of the globe, Mexico City is reveling in the hustle and bustle of nightlife, and so are the diners at one of the most reputed restaurants known for their uncompromisable quality of food. The head chef receives an intelligent alert, informing him that oil replenishment of the fryer is recommended. A simple confirmation via the Teams app, and a blunder is avoided. The chef moves to an alternate machine, making sure that the promise of quality is upheld. In another part of the world, Madrid prepares to conclude for the day. A marquee store with Smart Store solutions in place experiences a checkout kiosk malfunction. The system locates the nearest available technician, who receives a notification with all the required information for him to reach the target location and troubleshoot the issue without losing any time. These are only few of the thousands of stores in which Smart Store Services is acting as a silent guardian against business-critical technology malfunctions. The solution also comes equipped with a comprehensive health check dashboard that monitors all technologies and devices in real time, pushing out automated fixes or workflows to sense and resolve anomalies immediately. And for the fraction of incidents that require human intervention, our service desk agents, backed by deep retail expertise and contextual intelligence, deliver proactive, precision-driven resolutions to give store operators the confidence to wholeheartedly focus on running and growing their business. Join us in our mission to empower businesses and make every store smart.
Lenovo.